I'm Claudia Shannon Schaefer, and that's my brother, and that's my other brother, Baxter, and it's his birthday, so we're making dog biscuits.
Oh, it's whose birthday?
Baxter, he's turning 1 year old.
All right, Baxter, high five. Okay. How old is he?
1 year old.
Cool. So what are we doing here today?
We're making dog biscuits.
Oh my goodness. So are you gonna eat the dog biscuits?
No, my brother Baxter is.
Okay. Great. Well, why don't you start talking us through what we got going here?
What do we normally do first, Chef? First thing we do in the kitchen.
I already washed my hands.
You already washed your hands? Okay, well I didn't. I'll wash. You tell everybody about the ingredients.
Tell me about the ingredients.
Eggs, peanut butter, pumpkin,
Oil, oat bran, baking soda,
and baking soda,
and of course, flour. All right. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna mix the dry ingredients. So here's the flour, and we're gonna put everything dry in there. So baking soda and the oat bran.
Everything else is not dry.
That's right. Dry ingredients in there, and then the wet ingredients separately.
Can you tell us a little bit about your dog?
My dog eats everything.
Yeah, like what?
He eats our toys all up, and then we have to throw them away.
Does he just eat the toys, or what else does he do?
He mostly takes naps. He loves to go outside and play and bark at the sprinkler or the hose.
Yeah, he does bark a lot at the water, doesn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Let's move on to the wet ingredients now, honey. Thank you, Benjamin. Good job. Oh, remember, stir carefully. Stir carefully or it spills.
Mama.
All right.
All right, so pardon me, I forgot to get out a bowl for our wet ingredients. Let me do that.
Hey, excuse me, Chef Ben?
Yes.
Chef Ben, do we allow whining on the show? Do we allow whining on the show? Chef, do we allow whining on the show?
No.
Chef, stop your whining. Whining.
Sure. Can you crack the egg?
Yeah.
Good. Now separate it. Pull it apart, pull it apart. Good.
Chef, are we supposed to take off our hat in the kitchen? What about that lice outbreak last week?
We're not allowed to take off hats in the kitchen.
Okay, what do you do if they take off the hat in the kitchen?
I fire them for a whole week.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so let's add the pumpkin. Here, I'll help you, Ben. Chef Ben, here you go. I'm gonna get up there and help. Here, let's use the spatula. Use the spatula.
Can you hold this? No, I hold
Oh,
this.
you're gonna hold that one. Okay. And all in there. All in there.
What can you tell us about the pumpkin that we're using, Claudia?
Well, we're making it for dog biscuits.
Yeah, what can you tell us about where it was sourced from?
It was made from a pumpkin.
Where was that pumpkin grown?
And a farmer.
In a farm.
Mix gently.
What kind of mixing technique is this? It doesn't look very effective, Chef.
Would you like some help? I'm happy to help.
No. I'm gonna fire you if you ask me for help. Oh.
What are we
Right
doing
now
here?
I'm mixing, and then we're gonna put the wet stuff into the dry stuff, or the dry stuff into the wet stuff. I don't know.
That's right. Here we go.
Here we go.
It's going to be very...
No, I do this. You hold the bowl.
Chef, it sounds like you're being a bit bossy. Do we like that?
Yeah.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. At our place, we do.
And what do we do after this is all mixed together here, Chef?
We fart in our pants.
Okay. What are you doing here, Chef?
Now we're gonna roll this out. nice and flat.
And I'm here to help.
Yes, my assistant is here to help, but the little guy who keeps crying is going to be fired.
Do we want to put his fingers in there so you can roll his fingers out?
No. I'm going to cut these into dog bones.
Smart sound.
It's a pattern.
Here, how about this? Can I show you something, Chef?
Chef doesn't look like she understands what efficiency means.
Cut it out of the side. Look, we gotta wiggle it out. You gotta wiggle it out so that you can put it on the baking sheet.
Everything's out of the oven. It's time to celebrate with a picnic. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Baxter. Happy birthday to you.
I'm gonna break mine in half.
Success!
Thanks for watching Chef Claudia Cooks.